This is my gate. Follow lang natin yung instruction and all good. We'll go down.
Flight time today is 1 hour and 40 minutes, 40. So with the flight time, I expect to be in Budapest around 20 minutes behind our scheduled arrival time. And for now, a little bit of your patience. Thank you for that, and then I wish you a very nice flight.
Different kind of bars.
This is called simpla,
Yeah,
which means simple.
simple. It's fun is the details. You know, they collected so many things from everywhere. For example, that one you see 151. That's a number for a tram line.
For a tram line?
Yeah, it
they
goes
just...
to garage.
Oh, okay.
That's from
They
a tram.
collected like a lot of stuff and then just
Yeah,
displaying
it's from
it
everywhere.
everywhere. Oh, nice.
This is so sweet, Natash! Dankjewel!
Yeah.
Bob, Jolie, Mens, Mark. I will open it now.
Okay, I'm
This is so
so...
sweet. Heel mooi.
Moi is beautiful, right?
Yeah, mooi. Aww.
Do you know that game?
Hipster guilty pleasure.
As you can see this background, I only see that in Gary's Facebook post. And now I'm finally here. Okay, Kuya Danielle bought something for me.
These are Hungarian chocolates, and
Okay.
this one is actually Balaton.
Mm-hmm.
It's named after the lake Balaton. So we have a lake in Hungary which is called Balaton.
Balaton.
Yeah.
Ah, wow. Okay, nice.
That's why it has, waves, or like
Ah.
it's blue, or I don't know, it's imitating water. Kind
Okay.
Of.
That's a lot, Kuya.
That is boci. Boci is actually means
Boshi?
boci.
Bochi.
Boci.
Bochi.
Boci.
Bochi.
Boci means sorry.
Sorry.
But no, I mean boci means
Boci.
sorry, but this is boci.
Bochi.
Yeah,
Ah.
boci actually means cow.
Yeah, it's already 4 in the morning
Here in Budapest.
in Budapest. Good night, ate.
Yeah, I did go as well.
Good night, Kuya Danielle.
And yeah, I wanted. Wow, you are in Budapest.
Yes, finally in Budapest. How do you pronounce it? Budapest or Budapest?
Budapest.
Pesh.
The second, yeah.
Ah, Budapest.
Yeah, exactly. That's correct.
First place to explore is
Hero Square.
Hero Square.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see it now. We still have to go back there.
Okay.
You know, in Szeged, in my hometown, actually, there is a championship for this air balloon.
Really?
Every year. This monument here, and there are statues. So
What's that?
there is this monument here, you see,
Ah,
and then you can see the statues.
Okay, yeah.
So each statue is representing one significant people, in the history of
Ah.
Hungary, and there are, I think, 13 of them,
Oh,
and
wow.
each of them, is a very famous Hungarian person. Yeah, it just looks bad now because of this renovation, but
Yeah.
it
The
happens.
street is really big. I'm so shocked. Look at that. It's really big. Let's go.
Yeah. It's about the, state foundation. Like 1000 years ago when the Hungarians came here.
Wow.
If you want, of course, yeah. But I think I'm not sure. The fashion street.
I hope to arrive at 1 p.m.
Oh, and do you want to eat
Another tram too.
going to the parliament? That is good.
Look, guys, scooters.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Scooters everywhere.
And you know, actually, with you can even go inside, and then you know
you're
the
able-
Holy Crown is also inside. This part a few weeks ago
Yes.
was completely underwater.
Wow.
Like the cars couldn't go here. It was.
Yeah. Like this.
Oh. So you know that Hungary was founded in 1997. This building, this is the basilica, our basilica, and this is 97 meters. It's as tall, it has the same height as the parliament. And both of them are 97 meters because any of them should be, you know, smaller or taller than the other one because they should be equal.
Oh.
They have the same height.
Okay. That's a good thing. Yeah.
Now I didn't see any, but
Okay. Let's go.
this is all. This is paprika cream. Oh, and you bless the air balloon.
Oh my God.
Like it?
Can I also have like without this?
Yeah, sure, no problem. As you wish.
We will take 3. So
Okay, egy kicsit úgy néz ki, elidőzik.
Jó, egész nyugodtan.
So this is my second day here in Hungary, and now we're here at Szeged.
Majd elmondod a papucsot.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Ja.
Pasta.
Ne, paszta. Ja,
Oh,
paszta.
ja, várj, az micsoda? Az nem pasta, hanem...
De a tészta. Tészta. Én még tettem bele plusz, mert tombos szereted. Danikám, neked, én vegyem,
Ah,
ha te
majd
veszel.
elintézem.
Te veszel magadnak?
Ja, majd.
Ja, bocsi. Te mondod cseresznye, Jóska.
Sokáig tart.
Cherry.
Hogy mondják a csecser?
mondom, hogy mi az, amit publikálhatsz.
Már minden publikálva van. Egyből.
Mutasd már képeket, előírtam.
Instead of cheese, carrots.
How do you call the meal? No, now we were 10 years younger. Wait.
Think I should, Dani, hold this.
Na, várj, ezt feljük, ezt most már kivárom. Ezt kivárom.
Kedves vagy. You did it! You did it!
We need to take a photo box.
Look here. I mean, when you have time.
We have that. Wait, that's not my angle. You should be
Oh.
here. You said I'm here.
Anyway. Wait.
Is it portrait?
No, wait, okay. Now pause. Okay, now.
Wait.
Okay, wait.
We need to take a photo like Sassy. Like we're in Budapest.
I lost it.
It's okay, there's a video. Mag-Angela lang lang.
Wait, Jen.
What's wrong? That's not my uncle.
Yeah, but
Oh, my phone. Okay. It's three. Okay, you can one. Wait. You. I think it's wait. This one? No, you don't. Hi, girls' night. Visit Budapest. No, I will miss Venice because she's going to Denmark. Yeah, it's okay. Netherlands.